Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to print board here in Trello. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that I need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Trello, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Printing a board here in Trello is a straightforward process that provides you a physical copy that can be used when you don't have an internet access, or maybe you are working in environments where digital access is limited, right? Now, all you're gonna do is go to the upper right corner of your interface here in Trello. There's gonna be an ellipsis button, the three dots. There's gonna be an option that says print, export, and share. Okay, now you see, if you click on print, you would be forwarded here on this pop-up window. You see there are multiple options here. You can print to the specific destination that you wanted, maybe save as PDF, Microsoft print to PDF. If you click on see more, you also have an option to Microsoft prints to PDF, Microsoft XPS to document writer. And then click on manage and you have more options here. All right. Of course, you can tweak the settings like all pages, custom, portrait, landscape, and even the color. You can choose the black and white. You can use color. And if you click on the drop down menu for more settings, you have like a paper size. You can use the letter, tabloid, legal, statement, executive, A3. It's all up to you. You can even put in the margins, for example, minimum, a custom if you wanted to be specific with the sizing. You can have an options for the headers and the footers or background graphics if you wanted. All right, so that's that. Now you see you can print using the system dialog, which is if you press Control plus Shift plus P. When you do that, you also have an option for the arrow here, wherein you can choose the machine or the device that you wanted to select with. You can use the fax via the OneNote desktop or the Microsoft print to PDF, or again Microsoft XPS document writer. Right? You also have an option for the preferences like a portrait, landscape. You can do all of that. You click on advanced. You see there's going to be an option here for interleaving off. These are for the printer experts who have technical knowledge. All they're going to do is click on apply and click on print. All right, I'm not gonna print this because I don't want to print it. This video is only made for tutorial purposes. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.